I came to US on a B2 visa and I got married to my now US citizen husband 6 days later. I now understand this is fraud. What should I do now? My husband and I have not filed any papers. Well, it's not necessarily fraud. You can come to the United States on a tourist visa and get married. Actually, this is really important. So, I do this video. There's other immigration that do videos, and several of them in this scenario will say you did fraud, you're going to misrepresentation, get denied. And I had a consultation with a guy 9 months ago, and he had done the situation, and he came to the U.S. to visit his girlfriend. They got excited, they got married, and then COVID-19 hit, and they decided to just stay in the United States and not leave and file for a green card of their own. And then they read about this 90-day rule and they're freaking out. They called a bunch of YouTube lawyers. All of them said, you committed fraud, you need to leave the country immediately, request a waiver. I said, that's crazy talk. Just go to your interview, nothing's gonna happen. And sure enough, 2 days ago, went to the interview, nothing happened. He got the green card. Because he didn't intend to stay. You could get married in the United States, that's no problem. It's if you lie to an officer, if you're married to a U.S. citizen, let me specify, if you're marrying a U.S. citizen, they don't harp on this unless you literally lie to a visa officer and there's proof of it, lie to a port officer at the airport. The reality is people come and they decide to get married on a whim. Maybe they were planning on getting married 6 months in the future, but they move their plans forward, and then they decided to change their mind. When it comes to U.S. citizen marriage cases, unless there's really indication of fraud, that's not a problem. So I need to, Sheena, review your case in private to see what's going on there. But I wouldn't necessarily say you did fraud. So you got married and your husband's a U.S. citizen. I don't know. I wouldn't be too worried about that, but I need to know the facts of your case. We'd have to have a long conversation.
I hope you enjoyed this educational video. Also, you'll find our social media site has a lot more videos, images, and information about the U.S. immigration process. Please check those out on the various social media websites.